Hello, my name is Nuralya Nabihah binti Ahmad Khawarazmi, and I am going to present my part for my final project. And for the topic is about renewable energy, which is SDG 7, affordable and clean energy. So for my part, after the table of content, in the table of content, there is a icon of a turbine, which if you click on the turbine, it will direct you to the wind turbine page. Here on the left side, the turbine, one of the turbine, when you hover, there will be an explanation about what is the turbines are for, what is the benefit of that. And also underneath, at the bottom of the right, which is the signboard, which if you click, it will direct you to the next page, which is the signboard. Yes, this which it explains a 3 point of benefits. So if you want to go back to the table of content pages, you just simply press on the pin, the red pin on the top of the paper. It will direct you back to the table of content. So the next is when you went back to the table of content page, there will be a solar house, which if you click on the solar house, it will direct you to this living room, which in my part, I did the SDG poster, the credit or developer pages. Laptop is for the causes, and there is a folder on the table which is for the introduction of our topic project. So if you click on the laptop, it will direct you to a screen of laptop which has a text of the topic of the renewable energy, which is what are the causes. So in this, the animation are in a typewriting animation, which is one by one of the letters will appear. And also, there is a sound effect of a typing on a keyboard. Next is on this image of a globe, which is a button to go next to the next page, which is the causes explanation page. Here in this pages, you have three choices, which is environmental, individual, society. These are a button function. So if you click on any of the topics, it will pop out a picture and a text explaining about what the impact or what the causes on each of the topic above. So if you want to go back to the living room pages, just simply click on the red dot on the top right. So it will bring you to the living room page. So next on the living room page, there is a folder. So if you click on the folder, it will bring you to this page, which if you hover on the folder, it will pop out a piece of paper and an explanation of the introduction about the topic, renewable energy. And also there is a little red paper on the top of the folder, which if you hover it also, it will pop out the same thing, which the paper and the continuous explanation. So if you want to go back to the living room page, which you just click on the black paper clip on the top left. So now continue to the SDG poster. So I decided to put an SDG poster just to let the user know that what is our topic related with an SDG, which is SDG 7. If you go the SDG poster, which is on a white frame in the living room page. So if you click on the frame in the living room, this will pop out a poster. And if you want to go back to the living room page, just click on the frame. Next, same goes to the credit page. If you click on the credit page, for this method, this credit page where if you click on the frame, it will go next to another another credit page, which is another person who I work with. So if you scroll down, and here is my another partner for this final project, which if you click on his frame, which it will direct you back to the living room page. Yes. So for that is all from my part. And sorry for reflection. So reflecting on my final project, I faced time constraint and software challenges, but I am proud of the effort and dedication I put into it. Managing my time effectively and prioritizing tasks helped me meet the deadline. Learning the software features and functionalities require extra effort, but I preserved and became more proficient over time. Despite the hurdles, I am satisfied with the compelling and visually engaging outcome of my project. Seeking support and guidance from peers and online resources prove valuable in outcoming difficulties. So the project pushed me to explore new techniques, showcasing my creativity and technical skills. Although there is room for improvement, I am proud of the growth and progress I achieved. So the challenge experience allowed me to stretch my boundaries, learn new skills, and demonstrate my dedication. Overall, my final project, demanding yet rewarding, and it will serve as a testament to my willingness to give my best despite the obstacles. That's all for me.
So, hello, my name is Piraveen. So today I'm going to explain about my final project of multimedia authoring system. So my part is solution and NGO. So the first screenshot is will be the solar house. So the solar house beneath the solar house, there's a sign. It can be hovered and interacted. So it has a sound, the popping sound. And then the next screenshot will be inside the solar house. There will be lots of illustration will can be interact with. So my part will be the tablet and the whiteboard. So the tablet it has a sound popping sound. It can be hovered, and the whiteboard will be the marker scratching sound, and then you can hover it. There will be a sign up there showing that it will be going to the solution scene. So the next screenshot will be a guy will be explaining about solar panel. So you can interact with the solar panel text box. It will be changing to color green if you hover it, and then there will be a sound like a popping sound, and then it will bring to if you click it, it will bring to this scene. It will be explaining about solar energy and then how the solar energy works. So the background will be the um blur effect, and then the marker will be the interactive button, and then the duster will be interactive button. So you can hover it, you will have some animation and sounds. The marker will be sounding like scratching a marker, and then duster will be the duster's erasing sound. So the next, if we click the marker, will be bringing to the next page, next scene. It will be the how the solar panel works. So the marker the same as the above. It will be interactive. It will be animated, and then the duster as well. So the next page is the next scene is about the dam. So as the previous scene, you can click the dam, and then how it when it hover it will change into a green color. So it has a sound too. So if you click the dam text, it will be bringing to this scene. So if you hover it one by one to the fountain, so it will show the how it works, what is what it is mean about dam, and then how it works, and then the importance of the dam. So it will be interactive. The water fountain will be it has a sound effect. It sounds the water splashing sound. So the next scene is the tablet. So tablet is the solution tablet. So on top there's a three button, message, cloud, and home. So you can interact with it, and then however it have a sound, the app opening sound. So the message will be the solution one, cloud the solution two, and then the home is the solution three. So the X button will be the back button, like home button. It goes to the solar energy house, solar in the solar energy house. So if you click the message button, it will bring to the solution one. It's explain about the solution one, and then there's a back button. It will be returning to this scene, the tablet scene. So the same goes to the solution 2 and solution 3. So it has a back button, same it will be going to the home page, the tablet home page. So next we are going to take a look NGO scene. So if at the menu page there's one office building. So if you click that, it will bring to this scene. It's about NGOs collaboration. So the NGO text will be interactive and there's a sound of a click. Um, if you click the NGOs button, it will bring to this page. It will show about the first scene will be the NGO in Malaysia. So the QR scan, you can scan it and you can gather further details in their website. So the little brief about their NGO organization, and then the logo of the organization. So the arrow will be the next NGO. So the next scene is the next NGO will be the International Solar Energy Society. So this organization will be like international worldwide solar energy. So if you want to further details, you can scan the QR code, and then the little brief about the International Solar Energy Society and the logo on top of it. So if you click the home button, it will bring back to the menu page. So for my reflection is reflecting on my final project, I can help but acknowledge the immense challenges I face along the way. So time constraints and a packed schedule made it difficult to decide the unnecessary amount of time to complete the project. However, despite this obstacle, I managed to push through and reach the finish line. One aspect that stands out is my determination to enhance my skill in Adobe Animate. This project provided the perfect opportunity for me to dive deeper into the software and explore its various functionalities. It was a challenging yet rewarding experience as I worked tirelessly to create engaging and visually appealing animations. Nevertheless, as with any project, problem arose, non-working buttons and unexpected errors became regular occurrences. However, rather than becoming discouraged, embraced these challenges as opportunity for growth. I spent countless hours troubleshooting and researching possible solutions to rectify the issue at hand. Each problem solved brought a sense of accomplishment and reinforced my problem solving abilities. Additionally, I learned the importance of effective time management and prioritization. Balancing other commitments while working on the project required discipline and careful planning. I had to make tough decisions regarding where to allocate my time and resources, ensuring that the project received the attention it deserved. In retrospect, while the journey was arduous, completing the final project was a testament to my determination and perseverance. I embraced the opportunity to expand my skill set in Adobe Animate and actively tackle obstacle head on. The experience not only enhanced but technical abilities, but also honor my time management and problem solving skills. Moving forward, I will carry this valuable lesson with me and continue to grow as a creative professional.
Right, so this is the title page. So here's the car moving, and this is the button to go to the loading page and to the table of content. So this is the table of content, which we have the wind turbines, the NGOs, the solar house, and the dam. So for my part is the wind turbine. So if you click on the wind turbine, so as you can see, the wind turbine's blades are moving. The animation is moving. The clouds is also moving and looping. So if you hover on this, this specific turbine, which it will pop out the explanation of the wind turbine. And the next is if you go here, hover, and it will label as a benefit of wind turbine. So if you click, so here's the explanation of just like points of what are the benefits. So we have like climate change, clean air and water, and energy security and independence. So if you want to go back, just click any of these three pins. All of it are function as the same, which will go back to the table of content. So the next is for the solar house. Also, at the bottom here, we have the function button for play. There will be a music playing. And if you press on the mute one, it will stop. So now we're going to the SDG poster. So here's the SDG poster. So here is the SDG poster, which it explains a little bit, a brief explanation about the SDG and a little brief about the what is our topic about. So what is renewable energy is about. So if you want to go back, just click on the image and it will go back to the living room. So now we're going to the credits first. Then if you click on the credit, a picture of the creditors are on a frame. So if you want to go next, simply just click on the frame and it will bring another person, another creditor. So if you want to go back to the living room, just click on the frame and it will bring you to the living room. Next also is the causes. So if you click on the laptop, this will the text will appear as a typewriting, and also there is a sound effect of a typing on the keyboard. So if you see before this even pop out, it was fade in until the very last of this text. So if you hover, it will go to the web. So if you click on it, it will direct you to this website. So here's the functional button. This 3 is the functional button, which this is about the environmental. If you click this, about individual, the causes, and if you click here is the society. So if you want to go back to the Google, the search bar, just simply press the back here and it will do the animation again. And you can click here, everything will be the same. So also the both page has this red button, which is for you to exit to go back to the living room. So the next is the last is for the folder, which is introduction. So if you click on the introduction, click on the introduction. If you hover on this folder, it will pop out a paper which has the explanation of the renewable energy, and this on this red paper here will also a continuous of the explanation. So if you want to go back, you can just simply click on the paper clip here. So that is all for my part.
Okay, now it's my part. So as you can see, this is the title page. So this is the loading page. It will loads up. After it loads up, there will be showing the menu page. So my part is the solution, the solar house and the dam and the NGO. So if you click the solar house, it will be showing this scene. You can interact with the sign and then you can click the sign. There is a tab and there is a whiteboard here. So we'll be looking at whiteboard first. So you can interact with the solar panel text. So there's a button and will be showing the solar energy's explanation. And then if you click this, it will be going back and there is a sound here. Now this will be two. If you click the marker, it will be going to the next scene about the solar, how the solar panel works. So if you click the back button, it will be going to the solar house. So we're going to look at the solution tablet. So the first part app is the message app. So there is a clicking sound. If you click it, there is will be animation. This is solution one is about the solution one. If you click the back button, you will be going to the home page, home tablet page, and then there is a clicking solution two. Same as usual, the solution two about solution it will pop up. Then the next thing is solution three. There's a clicking sound too. So this is a solution three, and then there's a back button. If you press the back button, you will be showing the home page. And then this is the back button. So it will be going to this page. So now we are going to look at the dam. So this dam page. So the text will be interactive. It will change color, and then if you click it, it will go into the dam. So if you hover it, there is a water streaming sound, and then about will be showing about the dam. So then the next thing is how it works, how the dam works, and the next is the main purpose of the dam, and then the next is what type of water behind the dam. So if you click the back button, it will be going to the home menu page. So we are going to look at the NGO. NGO, this is the NGO building in the office building. So if you click if you hover it, it will interact. So if you click the NGO button, it will show the NGO, the organization in Malaysia. So you can scan the QR code if it work. It will work. So it will bringing to the website of the SEDA, the Sustainable Energy Development Authority. So if you click the arrow button, it will be going to the next society, International Solar Energy Society. If you scan the QR code, it will be going to the website for further details. So there is a home button here. If you click it, it will bring to the menu page. So that's all from me. Thank you.